Are you planning on having a trip to Europe? Do you want to make the best out of your vacation? Before booking a flight, we're here to give you an itinerary that is composed of the most breathtaking places you can find only in Europe with Travel Story, beautiful places on a European tour. These destinations are quite underrated, but they deserve more praise and appreciation. So sit back and relax because we're about to start our journey. Hi there! Looking for something fun and exciting? Come and laugh with us. Welcome to Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue, where laughter is the best medicine. I am Mrs. Blue, your travel guide for the day, here to deliver the most beautiful places that you must visit at least once in your entire lifetime. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated whenever we post a brand new video. Number 1. Glenfinnan Viaduct, Scotland. Are you a Harry Potter fan? If yes, you're probably very familiar with this location seen in many Harry Potter movies. Yes, you've guessed it right. It's the train rail for the Hogwarts Express. Glenfinnan Viaduct was built in the 1890s by Robert McAlpine, alias Concrete Bob and Sons, and it was the first structure in Britain to be constructed with mass concrete. As of today, Glenfinnan is still considered to be the longest railway bridge in Scotland. In the span of more than 1 century, no one was able to beat this magnificent creation, and that's why it still remains at the top of the list of the most amazing places in the world. Unfortunately, before the first Harry Potter movie was filmed, the bridge didn't receive much recognition and attention back in the days. It gained popularity after 2001 and was given the nickname of Harry Potter Bridge. People must have missed how well constructed this bridge was. It is 100 feet tall, 416 yards long, and has an elegant curve, which allows the passengers to have a sight of the most glamorous scenery they could ever lay their eyes on. Glenfinnan Viaduct overlooks the waters of Loch Shiel and the Glenfinnan Monument. The Jacobite steam train runs across the viaduct from Fort William to Mallaig, and it also takes a pause at the viaduct to let its passengers enjoy the view. Fare prices range from £22 or $28.91 up to £146 or $191.89. And these prices are without the booking fee of £3.75 or $4.93. If some amendments are done for the booking, an additional £15 or $19.71 is charged as an admin fee. Being able to have this one-of-a-kind European experience isn't cheap, but sure is going to make your life more memorable. So what are you waiting for? Include this one in your destinations list now! Did you find the first one enticing? Wait until you see the rest of our video, because the next ones are going to be as equally attractive as the Glenfinnan Viaduct or even better. Number 2. Colmar, France. Are you planning a romantic vacation with the love of your life? Take him or her to the most romantic place on the planet, France! Yes, you've heard of Paris, where the famous Eiffel Tower is standing. But we're not going there. What we're about to offer is something unique but equally beautiful. Aside from the magnificent view that it offers, Colmar also has different festivals and celebrations that are celebrated all year round, so you can visit it at any time you want. It's up to you. During summer and autumn, you can enjoy having a road trip inside a tourist bus while taking in the sights of the surrounding villages of Iggesheim, Riquer, or Ribeauvillé. In the spring, you can join their culture and music festival and take a quick stop to their spring markets to buy some souvenirs for your loved ones. You get to bring a little part of Colmar to them by the time you go home. That's so sweet! During Christmas, they launch Christmas lights and markets that no one can replicate and match. It's so beautifully unique. If I were you, I'll start booking a flight before it gets sold out. I can't wait to travel to Colmar with Mr. Pink. Number 3. Amsterdam, Anne Frank House. If you have a deep passion for historical events, this place is a must-see. This is where Anne Frank hid with her family during the Holocaust, and all events stated in her diary happened in this very house. This house pretty much holds the entire memory of their family, even before Hitler started his plan. Once you step on its floors, you'll immediately feel how the atmosphere felt like during that exact moment when cruelty and torture was taking over the place. It's sad but very historical. Just be sure to arrive earlier than your scheduled reservation to avoid standing in very long lines. If I were you, I wouldn't miss the chance to visit the Franks residence and carry a bit of historical experience with me as I go home. Look, I'm having goosebumps. Number 4. Seljalandsfoss Waterfall, Iceland. Iceland offers many waterfalls, and one of them is Seljalandsfoss, located in the southern part of the country. According to the National Land Survey of Iceland, it measures 65 meters tall and has a walk path that will lead you behind the waterfall. Make sure to bring your raincoats with you, otherwise you're going to be soaking wet. You might also consider leaving your non-waterproof valuables before walking towards the falls, or you may just cover it up with something to protect it from the water, whichever works best for you. Be careful when you're walking on the path, because there are times when it gets so slippery. Your safety is our utmost priority. And if you're lucky enough, you might see a rainbow on a sunny day. Now that's a party you don't want to miss. The view from behind the waterfalls is a bit dark, so when taking photos, it is encouraged to use a flash, or else you'll come out as a shadow in your pictures. Well, we don't want that, do we? So if you fancy waterfalls, this is the best destination for you. Grab your documents and start booking a flight now. Number 5. Athens, Greece. If you are looking for an extreme historical adventure, there is no greater place to achieve that other than Athens, Greece. With its continuing evolution, Athens has managed to merge the past and present civilizations in the form of museums, shops, restaurants, and even bars. Despite globalization, the history written in it still firmly stands with the place together with its people. Maybe that's why many tourists still put Athens, Greece in their travel bucket list, because of its timelessness. Starting from their culture up to the structures built in the place originating from the earliest civilizations known in the history of Europe. You can witness an entire timeline just by visiting this spectacular destination spot. So if you're a history nerd like Mrs. Blue, don't miss the opportunity to visit Athens, Greece. I promise you won't regret it for 1 second. Number 6. Sagrada Familia, Barcelona, Spain. The great architect Antoni Gaudi was responsible for many structures seen in Barcelona, and one of these is the Sagrada Familia. Its construction began in the late 19th century, but until now, it's still a work in progress. But did you know that there are facts about this destination that you might not have heard of? If so, Mrs. Blue is here to give you some fun facts about Sagrada Familia. Fact number 1. Its license permit cost the Sagrada Familia Foundation, a non-profit organization, 4.5 million euros or $5.1 million, which is considered to be the most expensive fee ever recorded in the history of Barcelona. Fact number 2. It wasn't declared sacred until 2010, when Pope Benedict finally consecrated the church as a basilica during a ceremony that was composed of 6,500 people. May this faith find new vigor on this continent and become a source of inspiration, he said at the end of his visit. Fact number 3. After architect Gaudi died from a tram accident in the year 1926, his remains were buried inside an underground crypt in the Sagrada Familia. Its construction has been planned to be finished by 2026, exactly 100 years after Gaudi's passing. Fact number 4. Year 1936, when the Spanish Civil War broke, Sagrada Familia was occupied by a group of anarchists who destroyed most of Gaudi's blueprints, drawings, and even plaster models. After 16 years of trying, researchers and scholars have been able to reassemble the documents by gathering the remaining fragments. Number 7. The Blue Lagoon, Reykjanes Peninsula, Southwest Iceland. If you are seeking for a physically therapeutic European trip, I suggest you consider going to the Blue Lagoon. Aside from the healing minerals your skin is going to get from this man-made lagoon, This also offers a very picturesque view to be enjoyed by the tourists. You get to relax and let your body feel the warmth coming from the underground volcanic lava passing through your skin. Just imagining it makes me very relaxed and at ease. So if you want to take your annual spa getaway to the next level, book your flight to Iceland now. Don't miss out on this magical experience. Number 8. Prikkstollen near Stavanger, Norway. The most photographed landmark of Norway is the plateau located on top of Prikkstollen that has a total height of 80 square feet. It's basically a rock formation in the Norwegian wilds, and when you look down, you'll see the waters of Lysefjord that measures 2,000 feet away from the viewpoint. Crazy, right? If you have acrophobia or a phobia of heights and want to face your greatest fear, this will be the perfect place for you. I guarantee after this trip, you'll feel like a completely different person who is a lot braver and ready to face whatever the world has to offer. Do you often feel frustrated with the world? If so, what are you waiting for? Include Prikkstollen in your destinations list. Scream your problems to your heart's content and let your voice echo across thousands of miles. Better than any mental therapy if you'd ask me. Be sure to carry all necessary hiking gear and safety precautions with you to make the best out of this experience. Number 9. Bucharest, Romania. Being one of the most underrated cities in Europe, particularly in the southern part of Romania, Bucharest also holds history and art in the field of architecture. Its structures are a mixture of Moorish, Soviet-style, and French classical building, which clearly shows a high level of versatility. Bucharest is also the proud holder of the heaviest parliament building ever existing in the world, which was built under the brutal totalitarianism of the Nicolae Ceausescu regime. In order to finish the Parliament Palace, 20,000 workers and 700 architects were needed to respond to the ruler's requests and demands. As a whole, it has 12 stories, 1,100 rooms, a 350-foot-long lobby, and 8 underground levels together with a nuclear bunker. I'm telling you, Nicolae Ceausescu wasn't someone you wanted to mess with. So if you want to experience your vacation on the next level, be sure to add this to your travel destinations in the future. Number 10. Salzburg, Austria. If you are a fan of musicals, specifically The Sound of Music, for sure this one's already in your bucket list. Aside from being the birthplace of the great child prodigy Mozart, Salzburg is also known for its Gothic and Baroque architecture, together with its notable delicacies, art, and the music scene. Well, what more could you expect from Mozart's hometown? After taking a look at its magnificent buildings and museums, don't be afraid to try the different types of food. It's part of the experience. As your travel guide, I encourage you to take a stroll at night for you to see the even more magnificent view that cannot be seen during daytime. You'll surely find it magical, just like a Disney movie. Did you have fun watching our travel vlog? Which destination is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends to share the fun and excitement. Did you know that human feces are used as crop fertilizers in North Korea? Know more about this by checking out our video, Strange Things That Only Happen in North Korea. That is all for today. Again, I'm Mrs. Blue. Don't forget, laughter is the best medicine. Mr. Pink and Mrs. Blue will see you in the next one. Adios!